40 years ago, when my mom got married and came to the house, मेरी great grandmother, she used to say कि एक दिन तुम अपना घर बनाना, आनंद धाम लिख के नाम लिखना घर के बाहर, प्लेट लगाना।
We are at Anand Dham, a harmonious fusion of Scandinavian, Japanese and Indian eclectic interior design. The client that we have, they are natives of India, the parents of a couple. This couple resides in Australia. Speaking to them, we realize that they are looking forward to someone giving them a very minimalistic, effective solution in the Indian context.
Because मेरी wife Japanese है, so she have very unique expectations. But to actually capture that expectation, to put it in reality, and then to present it, they have actually done wonderful.
Actually an amalgamation of the concept of Japanese culture, blending it with the functionality and modern context of Scandinavian functionality. The apartment's layout maximizes the natural light, creating a bright, inviting and airy ambience. This eclectic amalgamation has been tied together by a thoughtfully curated, authentic, sustainable elements. The result is a living space that reflects balance, beauty and cultural richness, and a perfect ode to global design connections while staying rooted in Indian authenticity. We went with muted tones of beige, warm greys and light wood textures. We've here and there introduced darker tones and darker shades to give a subtle contrast. We have added mirrors which have jute work, which have shells to add that beautiful, sensitive quality of art. To emphasize the Japanese influence in our design process, we manifested an integration of natural material and thereby incorporated a cane hat style pendant light. This element brings a natural texture and an organic vibe to the lighting. The parents' room in the family is the most naturally lit bedroom. We've tried to give the maximum earthiness to this room. The kids' bedroom has the Bali blue vibe and has these linear line concept. So the kitchen is Scandinavian. It has that kind of off-white grace in it and the terrazzo stone finish. And to add to the functionality, we've also given multi-pin international sockets, as that was one of the Australian clients' requirement in the kitchen. This is our coffee counter in this particular kitchen space. We've used beautiful white marble and the terrazzo stone finish. Along with that, we've given enough space for coffee appliances, also a small nook to sit and chit-chat over coffee or have breakfast together. The tranquility in this space is incorporated through the sculptures of Buddha with a candle lit in his hands. Traditional puja unit featuring intricate arch pillars in a subtle leather textured finish. This bespoke unit holds a serene Lord Ganesha idol, intricately crafted in ivory and gold to radiate divine grace.
ये अपार्टमेंट बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट था to connect my family from Sydney back to India. And that connection was missing. So this apartment was the connection, so I can then bring my family and connect them to India and to my parents as well.
गुरजोत मैडम और रणवीर सर जो है वो जो बात कहते हैं उनसे भी ज़्यादा अच्छा काम करके देते हैं।
they are very, very reasonable people. They are very thorough. They are very patient as well. So they took the time to understand what we wanted.
बहुत ही मिलनसार, खुशमिजाज और अच्छा काम करते हैं, बहुत हमारी रिस्पेक्ट भी करते हैं और उन्होंने हमारे लिए वो सब कुछ किया जो हम चाहते थे। और मेरी तरफ से उनको बहुत बहुत मुबारक और उनकी पूरी टीम को भी जिन्होंने उनका साथ काम किया। थैंक यू।
आपसे भी please. You've done well.
Thank you so much.
We had a vision, but you executed.
I'm
We had
glad.
an idea, not even a vision, an idea.
Thanks for entrusting us.
Oh.
देखो
And now you'll enjoy all of this and you'll feel happy.
हाँ ये ना मेरे साथ